I'm Verity and I'm in the Piper's Farm kitchen today, and I'm going to be showing you one of my real family favourites, the Jamaican beef patty. They're a little bit like Cornish pasties, but with all the delicious West Indian flavours in them. They're going to be made with a short pastry, but the real star of the show is using an enriched mince beef, which is grass-fed, and it's got all the versatility of minced beef, but with the added goodness of a little bit of ox liver. We're going to start by making the pastry. It's a short crust pastry, so made in the normal way with butter and flour and a whole load of spices. And then we're going to move straight on to the minced beef filling. We're going to brown off the minced beef, and then we're going to blend a whole load of spices, which is with onion and Scotch bonnet, all together. That becomes then the seasoning. We're going to simmer down that minced beef, allow it to really soak up all the juices and all the seasoning before adding in a really lovely beef broth. This is going to become the gravy. That's going to simmer down, and then I'm going to completely take that off the heat, allow it to cool, and then add in breadcrumbs. This really brings the whole dish together and makes it slightly thicker. Adding in some fresh peas. Now we're going to build our patties, gently brush them with a bit of egg wash, pop them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown, and just enjoy.